Dear viewers, I am Prosenjit Paul, author of the best-selling book How to Avoid Loss and Earn Consistently in the Stock Market. Recently, it came to my notice that in online e-commerce platform Amazon, Flipkart, a lot of fake copy, pirated copies are being sold by some duplicate sellers. So in this video, I am going to share you how you can identify a real book and a fake book. If you already purchased a pirated copy, what are the disadvantages of you and how you can return the copy or how you can get the original copy and what are the actions we are taking so that you can get the original book. So first, let's understand how you can identify whether the book is an original or fake. Say for example, you have already purchased one book. Now, if you purchased from Flipkart in the last 1 month from July 21 to August this 9th or 10th or maybe in August, then in Flipkart right now all the sellers are selling the pirated copy. In Amazon, if you purchase the book from MCP Book Corp, then only it's the original book, otherwise it's an pirated. Now, let's have a look at the images on my screen. So these are the two books and you can easily identify which one is original and which one is pirated. So in the original book, you can see the white paper, good paper quality, good printing and good binding. But in the pirated copy, you can see the paper quality. This is an yellow paper. The printing is not proper and in fact the binding is not proper. If you look at this cover, in cover page also there are slight difference, like in cover in the original book, the cover you will find an watermark, clear watermark, but in the fake copy you didn't get that exact watermark. But yes, if you look at the interior pages of the book, if you get an yellowish book, improper printing or binding quality is not that good, then that is a fake book. What are the disadvantages of this pirated fake copy? Obviously, you can get these fake pirated copies maybe 100 or 150 rupees lesser, but the biggest issue is you are getting a very poor page quality, the paper binding is coming up, मतलब उस book ज़्यादा दिन टिकेगा नहीं, and most importantly, few printing or even few things are there which won't be there in the pirated copy. So you are not getting the complete knowledge, you are getting poor paper quality, you are getting poor binding. So basically you are investing in the stock market worth rupees few thousands or maybe few lakhs. You are planning to make profit of worth few thousands or few lakhs. So you shouldn't compromise 100 or 150 rupees for this pirated copy. I mean, the investor should always go for this original copy, because only on the original copy you will get the proper printing and all the content, which is not in the case of pirated copy. Now, if you already purchased a book in the recent months from Amazon or Flipkart or maybe anytime in earlier, and if you already received a pirated copy, then what are the options in you? So right now, if this is within the return eligible window, then you can simply process the return. You can simply click on the return so that the book will be returned to the seller. If the return window is closed, then simply do one thing, simply call Amazon or Flipkart or whatever the customer care and simply mention that I have received a pirated copy, so immediately take my book back and give me my full refund. I will tell you how you can later on order an original copy. But if you already received a pirated copy, the return window is already closed, so you can simply call or message this Amazon, Flipkart or any e-commerce store customer care number and simply tell them that I received a pirated copy, immediately return it. And most importantly, I have noticed that after getting this pirated bad quality books, many buyers have put in review on the product page. Like in this screen I can see the person called Kajal, he mentioned that paper quality poor. Then this Ranjit Singh, he mentioned fake copy. Then a person called Noor, he mentioned about the poor binding of the book. Now, if you are any one of them, don't put these reviews in the product page, because these are actually the review of the sellers. So you need to put these reviews on the seller review, not on the product, because what happens in the product page, if you put such reviews, so people who are purchase in future, they might think that whatever they are getting all might be the pirated copy or the fake copy. So if you are any of these reviewers, what I'll suggest, simply look at this screen. This is the screen where I have ordered a product from Amazon. So while you order a product on Amazon on the laptop or on the desktop, you will find an option to leave a seller review as well. So there are three different options. One thing, you can leave a seller feedback, leave delivery feedback and write a product review. So simply click on this leave seller feedback button and put a seller review, put 1-star rating and simply mention I received pirated or fake copy. Just one line, that's enough. But don't put as a write a product review. And another thing is like write a product review option. I mean this option is available in mobile app and laptop, but leave a seller feedback is right now not available in the mobile application. Like whatever the application in Android phone, like I have checked, like I didn't find in the mobile application I can put a seller feedback. Rather in the mobile I can only write a product feedback. So this is the reason might be many users are putting this which is the feedback of a seller, they are putting in the product review segment. And unfortunately in Flipkart, what I checked, there is no such option even to put a separate seller feedback. So only the option they can give is the product feedback. So ultimately, I mean, whatever be the case, if you got a pirated copy, yellow paper, improper printing, or the binding is getting out, then simply return it, or you can call customer care of Amazon, Flipkart, put a complaint and simply instruct them that refund my entire money. Now let's have a look how you can order a real copy. See, here in the Amazon page, you can see that this is the book listing. So right now in the right hand side, you can already see the sold by MCP Book Corp. So if you find this MCP Book Corp name, then only it is a real copy. Otherwise, you can see many sellers name like Father God, Sigma Books, a new seller, poor rating. So if you click the button add to cart from these sellers, you will get a fake copy. So to receive the original copy, you need to click add to cart button from the name, which is the seller name MCP Book Corp, which will find the highest rating as well. Now from Amazon mobile application, if you are ordering from mobile application, simply scroll down and you can see the seller name, which is the name of the seller who is selling that particular book. Like here in this example, I can see this sold by MCP Book Corp, then this is an original book. But if you see some different name in this, either MCP Book Corp or Paul Asset, these are the two original sellers. So apart from that, if you see any other names, like I'll just now scroll down below. Here you will find that new and used, there are 4 different sellers right now listed on the Amazon. If you click there, what you will find, you need to click on the see more button, and if you click on the see more button, you can check this seller name like this Father God, Sigma Book and all. If you click add to cart button from those sellers, then you will get a fake copy. Now to receive the original copy of the book, only thing that you need to do is you need to add to cart. You need to click on the add to cart button from the MCP Book Corp seller name. Even what you had also find that this MCP Book Corp seller rating is also very good, whereas this Father God and all other seller rating is very poor. So the simple thing, you need to click add to cart button from this MCP Book Corp seller name for getting the original book. If I now come at Flipkart, there are many listings right now in Flipkart, and in Flipkart all the sellers listed are fake selling pirated copy. Like if you scroll down, you will find here is the name of the seller and what are the other sellers selling this book. So here you will find that it is sold by Books Portfolio. If you click on these other sellers, you will find there are so many sellers, and all of these sellers rating is very poor, 3.2 star, 2.1 star, 2.8. You can see this very poor rating from this pirated seller. So in this case, in Flipkart, if you find that there is a name of MCP Book Corp or Paul Asset and click on that, then only you can purchase a original book. From our part, we are also fighting a legal case with this Amazon and Flipkart, and I'm quite sure within the end of the August it will be solved, and within just 1 month or so there will be no issue of these pirated fake sellers. But you know, in India the problem is any legal case, anything takes a long time. So this is the only issue, but apart from taking time, I'm sure that this problem will be automatically solved, and we are quite sure that we will win this case against this Amazon and Flipkart, and Amazon Flipkart will surely restrict these third-party sellers very soon. Anyways, so right now what I need to say, if you already purchased the book, as you are spending money, you should buy the original copy, because with the pirated copy you may not get the full knowledge, printing quality will be poor, the paper quality will be poor, you even can't put that book long enough with you. So why go for the pirated copy? Simply, if you already received the pirated copy, simply complain to the Amazon or the Flipkart and get the refund and order the original copy. And if you have any queries, like अगर आपके मन में कुछ भी डाउट है कि किसी भी किताब है या आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ओरिजिनल है ना फेक है, तो आप ऊपर दिए हुए ये जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है हम लोगों का, जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर, उसमें आप मेंशन कीजिए जहाँ से आपने किताब खरीदा, वो आप शेयर कीजिए, तो हम आपको देख के बता देंगे कि ये बुक ओरिजिनल है ना फेक है. तो एनीवेज दैट्स इट एज ऑन टुडे. सो आई होप यू विल ऑल रीड द ओरिजिनल कॉपी ओनली फॉर द complete knowledge, and maybe many of you already refunded this pirated copies, and whoever have these pirated copies simply claim refund from this Amazon, Flipkart, so that you can buy the original quality book. So that's it as on today. I hope you will read the original copy very soon. Till then, happy investing.